Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 4 different job opportunities specifically for people looking for data entry jobs remotely. So I've been getting a lot of requests. I've been hearing your comments and your messages saying that you want more data entry jobs. So in this video is a doozy. Make sure you are seated, make sure you are paying attention because we have 4 different opportunities in this particular video for data entry positions. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button, because the like button helps us with the YouTube algorithm to find more people just like you looking for remote, best work from home positions. And right here on this channel, it's our mission to serve that purpose. So please hit that like button and we greatly appreciate it. So the first position is for Contact Government Services LLC. They're looking for a data entry technician. As a data entry technician for CGS, you will maintain database by entering and updating customer and account information. The ideal candidate should have a computer science background and be a savvy typist, as well as excellent skills in overseeing data. The integrity of data is utmost importance to CGS, and is looking for someone who is very passionate about entering data and ensuring all data is correct. So your job duties in this particular position will be work collaboratively with other team members and supervisor to ensure the best practices are shared, procure data through observation, interviews, and analysis of records and other sources to include the utilization of electronic equipment, maintain databases by entering new and updated records and related information, verifies data and prepare materials for PDF printing, maintain data entry requirements by following data program techniques and procedures, purge files to eliminate duplication of data. Education and work experience, bachelor's degree in computer science or related field, 1+ years of data entry experience, 3+ years of Microsoft Office experience, excellent typing skills, excellent communication skills. Some benefits of this position include health and dental and vision, and also life insurance, 401k, flexible spending account, paid time off, and observation of state and federal holidays. This job is posed for a position in CGS. They are a small business driven by providing our clients the most exceptional service in the sector. In order to give our clients the best service, we need to have the right team of motivated individuals to provide that service to them. So some of their core values is honesty through hard work and self-awareness, professionalism in all they do, and to deliver the best quality to our consumers, mending those relations for years to come. If you would like to apply for this position, we're going to have the link right in the description below under job number 1, so you can apply right away. But if this is not the position for you, don't worry. We're going to have 3 more jobs right here on this video that are completely data entry, so stay tuned for those. Don't forget to hit the like button here on this particular video. It will help us a ton. And also in this particular YouTube channel, we are dedicated to find you the best remote work from home job position. So if that's something that you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best work from home job that's available for you. This next position is for the company Abacus Service Corporation. They're looking for a data entry clerk, and this for a 6-month contract. It pays $14.28 an hour. You'll be assisting with data input with the service center location. You'll perform typing/keyboarding and data input functions. You create and manage spreadsheets to track data for order delivery. You prepare and communicate data directly to contractors via text message or email. Retrieve data from all database or electronic files as needed. You establish data entry priorities. You maintain operating by following policies and procedures and reporting needed changes. You contribute to team effort by accomplishing related results as needed. Other duties as assigned. Strong attention to detail with the ability to multitask. Working knowledge of Microsoft Office. Accurate typing or keyboarding skills. Good verbal and written communication skills. Ability to input data with accuracy and precision. Ability to work in a remote environment. This job is a contract job, pays $14.28 per hour. The schedule is 8-hour shifts, day shifts, Monday through Friday, and experience at least 4 years of data entry is required. If you feel like this is the perfect position for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to be discussing 2 more job leads here for data entry positions, so stay tuned. But also, if you're looking for the best work from home job, remote positions ever, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell as well as the like button to help us find the best remote work from home job that's available for you. The next position is for the company Multiplan Incorporated. They're looking for a data entry specialist. It pays up to $17 an hour. Data entry associate remote positions available, and it is temporary. Pays $17 per hour. Founded in 1980, Multiplan is the industry's most comprehensive provider of healthcare cost management solutions. We provide the most comprehensive portfolio of cost management solutions, helping payers manage the cost of care. They're seeking multiple temporary associates for an intake position. This is a temporary position which is expected to last 60 to 120 days. Its expected start date is August 16, 2022. A training class is provided during the first week of employment. New employees will need to work 8 to 4:30 Central Time during the training. After training, there is flexibility in the work schedule. Some of your responsibilities will be intake and create cases in all applicable systems, perform timely data entry of necessary information, research appropriate systems to identify data needed to complete cases, ensure compliance with HIPAA regulations and requirements, demonstrate company's core competencies and values held within. The position responsibilities outlined above are in no way to be construed as all-encompassing. Other duties, responsibilities, and qualifications may be required and/or assigned as necessary. Requirements: high school diploma or equivalent, ability to efficiently use a keyboard and quickly navigate software applications, high-speed internet access, quiet work area without distractions, regular and consistent attendance and adherence to work schedule, knowledge of medical insurance terminology preferred, communication skills, ability to work without frequent supervision, ability to maintain confidentiality in all required situations, ability to use software, hardware, and peripherals related to job responsibilities. This job pays up to $17 an hour, and if you feel like this is the perfect position for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 3 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel, and also we have one more job that we're going to discuss right now for data entry positions, so stay tuned for that. But if you're looking for the best remote work from home job positions, it will be right here on this channel. Don't forget to hit the like button to help us with the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified when we find the best remote work from home job that's available for you. This next position is from the company MMC Group. They're looking for a data entry clerk. He pays $14 an hour. You receive all documents and enter the data into the online system on the PC. Operate a data entry device to input and maintain list of records. Create and update databases. Maintain a daily count of all claims processed. Typical years experience in field of 1 to 3 years. Typically holds GED or high school diploma. It will be Monday through Friday. Overtime is available sometimes for Saturday and Sunday as business needs arise. Hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. It is full-time, pays $14 an hour. It is 8-hour shifts. Experience at least 1 year preferred of Microsoft Excel. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 4 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads right here on this channel. And all you have to do to keep up is first hit that like button to help us with the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified when we find the best remote work from home job that's available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.